Hi there, Peter from Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching this video. If we could help you or someone that you know with your singing or their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne and also around Australia. We give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. We have male and female teachers. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing course, all in the description below. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up. If you have a question, put it in the description. If you want to just drop by and say hello, put it in the description. That would be absolutely ace if you do that. I'm going to answer the next question here without any further ado. The question is, if I take singing lessons or do vocal training, will I lose my own sound, personality, or style? Question mark. No, but your voice will change and improve if you're going to a good singing teacher. Because a good singing teacher is going to give you skills and scales. They're going to teach you new skills and improve your voice. So that could be expanding your range higher and lower. Could be going in and out of falsetto. Could be teaching you how to sing gritty or husky. So again, these will be different things. Teaching you how to breathe properly, supporting. So your sound should improve. You shouldn't lose your personality or your tone or your sound. You definitely won't lose your personality if you're singing, particularly with karaoke tracks or instrumentals. If you're singing along with an artist, sometimes you do, sometimes some people mimic or copy the actual tone or sound of the actual artist. So if I see that someone is doing that in class, what I try to do is I try to get them off singing with the original artist. And singing with the original artist is great because it's like a soundboard. You can copy them and stay in key. So it's really good. It's a really good guide to do that. But if someone is really doing that and they're really nearly impersonating the person, I stop that and I get them onto the karaoke version or the backing track version or the instrumental version so they can just sing by themselves, developing their own personality, sound, and tone, okay? So that's one big point that we do at Vox all the time. Now, you're not going to lose your tone, the way that you sound, because your tone is the same. It's connected. Your vocal cords that you're speaking with are the same vocal cords you sing with. So even if I'm speaking and I'm doing this, let it be, and then I come back to speaking, you can hear they nearly sound the same. It's not like I'm speaking like this and then going, let it be, or let it be. My voice isn't changing. So you're not going to lose your personality. You're not going to lose your tone because they are two things that are directly connected with you. But as I said, you want to develop your own tone and personality. So it's good not to sing along with the artist too much. Learn the skills from singing along with the artist, but then go with the instrumental. That's really, really, really important. But to answer the question, if you've got a good singing teacher, they should really be developing your voice so you're going to sound better and bringing out the best parts of your voice and probably improving some of the weaker points of your voice. That's what a good singing teacher should do, and it shouldn't change the way that you sound. Particularly with all of our students at Vox Singing Academy, all of our students practice scales. And they're recorded and they're customized to every student's needs, genre, range, and experience as a singer. Now, all these scales are done by yourself at home and you'll practice by yourself. So again, that is developing your own personality and sound. So that won't be taking away from your personality. So that's a really big plus if you take singing lessons and the teacher has given you scales to practice at home. Just another point here, if your singing teacher is not giving you scales to practice at home, I would highly recommend not going to that singing teacher. This is the way that you improve your voice, strengthen your voice, learn new skills and scales, is by practicing these different skills. It's like if you are going to play soccer, for instance. You would go and train soccer, you'd practice on the pitch, you'd practice dribbling and kicking and evading and running and whatever it might be. You practice those so that when you play the game, you're going to be very good. And it's the same when you sing. You want to practice your scales, apply them into your songs so that when you sing, we're sounding the best we can. It's also really important to do some scales. Very important to warm your voice up. So scales warm your voice up before you sing so you don't hurt or damage your voice, because your voice is an instrument. But anyway, I'm going to make that one short, sharp, and sweet. I hope that you enjoyed that. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up. Click like and subscribe. If we could help you or someone that you know with this singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. And if I have missed anything, you think I've missed something, put it in the comments below. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. Or if you just want to say hello, put it in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Until the next video, live each day with passion, because tomorrow is not guaranteed. Peace and much love. Enjoy your singing and music. Bye-bye.